Hey everyone, welcome back to Information House. If you're looking to dial in your tee shots in 2025, the grip on your driver matters more than you might think. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best golf driver grips for 2025, putting each through the ringer for feel, traction, weather performance, and value. Whether you smash drives off the tee or just want more consistency down the fairway, I've found grips that deliver across budgets and every type of swing. I'll also drop direct product links in the description so you can check the latest prices and pick the right size and color. So grab your clubs, hit subscribe, let's get into it. 5. Full Choice CG01 Series. Upgrade your golf game with our Full Choice golf grips, designed to give you ultimate control and comfort on every swing. Featuring cross-corded technology on the upper grip, you'll enjoy enhanced anti-slip performance and unmatched stability, even in tough conditions. The low taper design reduces hand tension, ensuring smoother, more powerful swings with better club control. Thanks to the all-weather control micro texture and cotton thread blend, you can play confidently in any condition, rain or shine. Choose from 3 sizes: standard, mid, jumbo, and 5 stylish colors: red, gray, blue, green, orange, available in both a base set or deluxe set with a full regripping kit. And with our caring service, we're always here to help because your performance and satisfaction matter most. 4. Saplai's Golf Grip Set. Upgrade your golf game with our premium high-performance golf grips, designed for ultimate comfort, control, and consistency. The durable rubber material delivers a soft, comfortable feel with precise ball feedback, while the anti-slip surface texture ensures superior traction in all weather conditions. Choose from multiple sizes: under, standard, mid, or oversize, with core sizes ranging from 0.58 inch to 0.63 inch round, a grip length of 10.6 inches, and weights between 46 grams to 82 grams for a custom fit. Thanks to the tight weight tolerance of just 1.5 grams per grip, your swing remains perfectly balanced and stable compared to the industry standard. Available in deluxe and upgrade sets, plus 4 vibrant colors: white, blue, red, and green. This is the ultimate choice for golfers who demand performance and style. Perfect your grip, perfect your game. 3. Champ Key Premium Rubber Golf Grip. Upgrade your game with our patented golf grip, engineered for precision, comfort, and performance. Designed with a standard or mid-size grip and a 0.600-inch round core, it measures 10.50 inches in length and weighs just 50 grams or 55 grams, ensuring the perfect balance of control and feel. Crafted from an exclusive high-feedback proprietary rubber material, this grip delivers precise ball feedback and all-day comfort. Featuring 3 unique micro-textures, it enhances traction and control in all weather conditions. The traditional taper profile promotes lighter grip pressure for smoother, more powerful swings. Each set includes 15 grip tapes, making installation simple and professional. Experience the difference of patented innovation, where comfort meets control for your best performance on the course. 2. Golf Pride. Upgrade your game with the Golf Pride Tour Velvet 360 Golf Grip, the perfect blend of comfort, control, and style. Designed with non-slip technology for a secure hold in all weather conditions, this grip gives you unmatched confidence on every swing. The softer, more responsive feel ensures a smooth, comfortable experience, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're regripping your favorite clubs or upgrading your entire set, the Tour Velvet 360 in white delivers a clean, modern look and professional-grade performance trusted by golfers worldwide. Perfect for any player who demands both precision and comfort on the course. 1. Jumbo Max JMX Ultralight Golf Grip. Experience game-changing performance with the JMX Ultralight Grip, engineered to be 20 to 25% lighter than traditional skinny grips, helping golfers unlock faster swing speeds and superior control. Designed for serious players who demand precision, the Ultralight reduces overall club weight while maintaining the trusted stability and control of a Jumbo Max grip. Featuring tri-texture technology, this innovative grip delivers unmatched feel, enhanced traction, and all-weather playability. Its super oversized profile promotes light, even grip pressure and boosts clubhead awareness for maximum performance. Trusted by champions, including 2020 U.S. Open winner Bryson DeChambeau, the JMX Ultralight Grip is built to deliver tour-level results with twist-resistant stability core for firm, consistent handling through every swing. Elevate your game and experience the difference today. Thanks for watching our countdown of the top 5 best golf drive grips for 2025. Whether you're looking for extra control, comfort, or distance, there's a grip here for every golfer. If you want to check out any of these grips, you'll find all the product links conveniently listed in the description below. Click through to grab your favorite and take your game to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our latest gear reviews. See you in the next video.